Hi, my name's Amy. I'm a youth librarian at Beaverton City Library, and today, to celebrate this wonderful season of fall, we're going to do some leaf rubbings. And in order to do this, it's a really fun craft for kids and adults. You'll need some leaves, so you can go outside and collect some leaves from your neighborhood. This is a rhododendron leaf. I have a Japanese maple and a ginkgo leaf, and these work really well because they have a pretty tough structure to them, and they also have a lot of veins that you can see in the leaves, so those are going to come out really well in our leaf rubbings. Then you'll need some paper, cardstock, or thinner paper like printer paper, and then some crayons with the label peeled off. So really simple. And we just start, I have an example here of one that I created, and you can see that it's really fun to layer the different leaves and use different colors and use different leaves and experiment with it. Then you can create some fun cards for fall to send out, or just a fun piece of artwork for your home. And in order to do it, you're just going to put your leaf underneath the piece of paper with the veinier side facing up, facing the piece of paper. And then you'll take your crayon with the crayon exposed, and then you just rub back and forth over the leaf. And I'll show you what this one looks like. And make sure you get in there to get all the veins of the leaf, and try to hold it steady so that way the leaf doesn't move underneath your paper. And you'll see when you try a few, you can experiment and see how it goes. So that's the one I just created with the rhododendron leaf, which works really well. And what's also fun to talk about as you're creating these with kids is the difference between a deciduous tree, right, which loses its leaves in the fall, and an evergreen tree, which holds on to its leaves. Also, why do trees lose leaves? Why do deciduous trees lose their leaves in the winter? You can discuss that. You can also talk about the leaf structure. And then when you go out on a walk to collect your leaves, you can also talk about the different types of trees. So you can name different varieties of trees. You can talk about which ones are evergreen and deciduous. You can talk about the trees that are here in the Pacific Northwest and why those are the native trees to our area. So there's lots and lots you can talk about related to doing your art project, which is a leaf rubbing. I hope you enjoy, and happy fall.